Hey guys, well the trailer came home empty when I went out to look at the ovals. I just didn't have time. I had to get home to get Josh off the bus, but I wanted to race out there and check these cars out. So anyway, as you probably know, I bought both the ovals. Just unloaded the truck. Here's some of the parts. There's that 4-tab hood. There's a tow hitch that he said came off the black 36er. So I don't know if you guys got any info on that. I have to look for a part number, but got the visors, the grill, an old Sapphire. There's a ragtop mechanism for the other 56. Earlier door, some pop outs, early pop outs. So let's hit the road. Let's go get an oval. All right.
I know.
Well, we're here with Chris with the 56
with one of my Beetles.
L41. So give me the history of this thing.
I got a phone call from a guy at Mitchell Volkswagen in Simsbury, Connecticut, that said this car was sitting in the back of the parking lot, and he was looking for somebody. I believe it belonged to somebody that worked for Mitchell Volkswagen, one of the mechanics. And I went and picked it up. He said, you know, if you wanted to buy it, make him an offer. I ended up buying it. I brought the car back to my house. I looked it over. I put a 6-volt starter in it, a new battery cable, and a new 6-volt battery. And began to drive the car for 3 years with no brakes.
No brakes.
Absolutely no brakes. Running the e-brake. When I wanted to go faster, I'd pull the choke lever out a little bit, because it was 36 horse with no brakes. And then it became kind of a donor car for the other 56 that I got, and a project that I've never finished.
Well, of course, I'm back up here and it's snowing. It's only going to snow where? Only going to snow here, right?
This is the only place it ever snows every day.
That's right.
Other than the North Pole. Some holiday memories here.
Yeah, right?
Snowing. Santa Claus is going to fly by.
All right.
You like it?
Let me get the wheel turned here. A little more. Is that enough? Go ahead, try that. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Might have to push on it from the back.
Is this good?
Just help the winch a little.
Okay. Go
Ready?
ahead. Yeah. All right, well, I got her loaded up. It's snowing because, well,
It always snows.
it always snows here.
In the summertime, it snows here.
So you said the wheels you got from what show?
Irvine Meadows, the VW Classic in Irvine Meadows.
All right.
Yep.
So the wheels are from Cali. That's cool.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna hit the road here, and when we get back, we'll come back for the rag.